Welcome all in the introductory video on PCB design course. These days, PCBs are becoming an integral part of our life. Maybe it is consumer electronics devices, maybe it is devices for medical applications, maybe it is devices for defense, maybe it is security devices, or maybe many other electronics devices, and all these devices uses PCBs for their operation. Printed circuit board or PCB is basically a sandwiched structure of conductive and insulated layers which is used to affix electrical and electronics components and to provide reliable electrical connections between various components on PCB board. The aim of this course is to acquaint the learner with the fundamentals of PCB and of PCB designing. The course is designed for everyone who wants to generate skills in the field of PCB designing, irrespective of qualification, age, and experience possessed by the trainee. The course on PCB designing is designed to discuss first the classification of PCBs. So we will discuss the classifications of PCBs on the basis of number of copper layers, the thickness of copper layers, and on the basis of substrate material for PCBs. Next, we will discuss about different layers of PCBs. PCBs comprises of various layers. Each layer is meant for a specific purpose. These layers are combined with each other such that resultant is a single unit. In this section, we will discuss about some of the important layers of PCB and their applications. Next, we will discuss about the mounting techniques of components on PCB. Components are required to be placed on PCB for its specific purpose. Now, components can be placed on PCB by using various techniques. So, in this section, we will discuss the two important techniques of mounting the components on PCB. These techniques will include the through-hole and surface mount technology. Then we will discuss the common keywords used in PCB. The common keywords used in PCB includes traces, pads, holes, wires, footprints, etc. Next, we will discuss about the techniques to obtain grounding in PCB. Grounding plays a very important role in PCB designing. So, in this section, we will discuss with the three methods to obtain grounding in PCB. Next, we will discuss about some common mistakes encountered in PCB designing. Then we will discuss about the inspection method of PCB. PCB designing is a very complicated process and is affected by a variety of factors. Without adequate verification and without testing, all this process is a miss affair. So, for the proper functioning of the PCB, the PCBs are required to be inspected before mounting the components. So, in this section, we will discuss the various prominent methods for inspection of PCB. Next, we will discuss some common electrical and electronics components which are mounted on PCB. So then we will discuss about the internationally accepted standards for PCB designing. And in last, we will discuss about the complete process of PCB designing and printing by using some CAD tool. So in PCB designing and printing, first we will discuss to draw the schematic diagram of circuit using some electronics computer aided design tool. So the schematic diagram of a circuit represents the various components and connections between the components for a particular circuit drawn by using computer aided design tool. So in this course we will use Autodesk Eagle to draw the schematic diagram of the circuit. After drawing the schematic diagram, then we will discuss to route the components to obtain the optimized board layout using electronics computer aided design tool. The board layout represents the placement of components and the optimized routing between the components on the PCB board. Finally, toner transfer method can be used to print PCB at workplace, and we will discuss each step that need to be followed in toner transfer method for printing the PCB. We will also discuss about the screen printing, which is used to finally print PCB at mass level. We will also discuss to generate the Gerber files for PCB to be designed. Gerber files are generated from the board layout of PCB drawn in computer aided design tool. These files are required by PCB manufacturer to finally print the PCB at large scale. So this was the brief introduction about the course on PCB designing. After going through this course, the learner is competent to design and print a PCB. Thank you very much.